Hey there, I am Marcos Bravo, and in this video I will show you how to send emails directly from Apache Airflow with the Mailtrap Airflow provider. If you're using Apache Airflow to build, schedule, and monitor workflows, also known as DAGs or DAGs, the Mailtrap Airflow provider lets you send transactional emails from your DAGs without writing custom code. When it comes to use cases, this integration comes in especially handy for processes involving automated communication such as sending alerts or system notifications, delivering reports or data exports, or triggering transactional emails based on workflow logic. So how do you get this set up and running? Well, first you need to make sure you ticked off all the prerequisites like installing Python version 3.9 or higher along with Apache Airflow 2.4 or above, having a Mailtrap account with a verified sending domain, and creating an API token with admin access for the domain within the Mailtrap platform. Once you've done that, the next step you'll need to complete is installing the Mailtrap Airflow provider itself. But before I tell you more on how to do just that, a quick reminder to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our other videos covering Mailtrap's latest features and updates. Do it now. In the environment hosting your Airflow instance, open the terminal and run the following command. This will install the Mailtrap Airflow provider and make Mailtrap Send Email Operator available inside your workflows. Next, proceed to connect Mailtrap to Airflow by opening the Airflow UI, navigating to Admin, Connections, and adding a new record. For the connection ID, use Mailtrap Default. And for the connection type, select Mailtrap, which should appear as one of the available options after the successful installation of the provider. In the token field, enter your Mailtrap API key. And in case you want to define a default sender email address and sender name, you can also fill in the extra field. Once you save the connection, Airflow should be ready to communicate with Mailtrap, which means you can move on to the third step, using Mailtrap Send Email Operator. In your DAG, you will use the operator to define an email task, and in the task, you will define the main email details like the email recipient, subject line, and content. Depending on your use case, you can send either a plain text or an HTML email as well as add multiple recipients. And since all parameters are templatable, you can also use Jinja templates to add dynamic values to your messages, such as Airflow variables, execution dates, or data from previous tasks. As the last step, save your DAG, and from there, Airflow will automatically detect it and load it into the UI. You can then trigger the DAG manually to confirm everything is working correctly. If your setup is all good, the operator will send an email through the Mailtrap API as part of the workflow run. And as you can see, the email has been delivered without any issues. This means my setup is working end-to-end, with Airflow triggering the task and Mailtrap sending the email. And that's all for this video. Now that you know how to use the Mailtrap Airflow provider, you can take it a step further by learning how to use Mailtrap templates to make your emails more consistent and reusable. Our video on that feature should be up on your screen just about now, so make sure to check it out. We'll see you there.